Ian Skinner with Dev, and I'm recording another WordPress video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new WordPress user account onto your WordPress website. Oftentimes, there will be multiple people working on a site. Perhaps you'll need to hire a web developer to help you, or you might want to have someone post your blog articles for you. WordPress has the option to create additional users, which you should always do rather than sharing your password. It's much more secure to create a user account, and they can easily be deleted later on. Than it is to share a password. Creating a user account in WordPress is really simple. While you're logged into the dashboard as an administrator, you hover over users and you click on Add New. Then the process is similar to creating any other type of an account. You create a username, and I strongly suggest that you do not use admin for the username. It's just too common for the hacker bots to search WordPress websites for admin and try to figure out what the password is. In fact, if your current login username is admin, I suggest making yourself another account with a different username and then deleting the admin account. Also recommend taking it even one step further and not just doing like the name of your business. A lot of times I'll do, the name of the business and then a dash and then maybe my name or the user's name or something else, just to kind of make it a little bit more difficult for a hacker bot to figure out what the username is. So enter the username. You'll type in the email address of the user. You can enter in their name and first name and last name if you'd like to. You can also enter in their website. If you are creating an account for yourself or for someone who's with you, you could click show password and you can even choose the password if you like. If you do not do that, what I typically do is I'll leave this checked here to send them an email, and then that way they receive a link and they can click on the link and then choose what password they want to have. One important aspect of creating a new user account is to choose the proper role based on what the person will be doing on your site. There are several different options as far as user roles. I see a lot of clients when I access their site that they have, everybody who has access on the site as an administrator, and that is just kind of a big security leak. An administrator can edit and delete everything on the site. They can delete themes, plugins, pages, everything. So really think about what the person is going to do while they're working on your site. For example, if you're going to have someone who's going to, if you have a writer who's going to write articles on your site, they could just be an author. An author can add and edit their own content, but that's it. They cannot add or edit or delete other pages or posts or plugins or whatnot. An editor can add, they can also edit and delete any page or post on the site, but they cannot delete the theme and plugins and whatnot. So if you're not sure what role to give the person, I suggest Googling it. Just Google WordPress user roles. There are plenty of tutorials already out there that exist that show you the different features of each role. So then once you've entered all the information here, and once you've chosen the appropriate role, you just click on Add New User, and then they will immediately receive an email that they can click to log into the account. A lot of times the email actually ends in the spam folder, so if they don't see it, have them check their spam. And then one other tip also is if they don't see the email in their spam, you can actually just have them go to the login page of your site, and you can have them enter in their username. I'm sorry, I shouldn't enter it in. Go to the login page, click on Lost Your Password. And then they could put the username in and click Get New Password, and that email usually has better success of going to their inbox. I hope that helps. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. You can find more videos and articles on our website, devadigm.com. And feel free to join us on social media. You can find @devadigm on Facebook and Twitter. Also, if you did find this video helpful, I would love for you to let me know on Twitter. Just tweet me your feedback with the hashtag WordPress Video Tutorial.